Today, I'm very pleased to introduce to you a brand new function of Instek GDS-2000A Oscilloscope, LIN bus trigger and decoding applications. LIN bus plays an important role in large-scale electrical central control systems or automobile electronic systems. Especially in automobile electronics applications, LIN bus mainly transmits signals between central control units and peripheral electronic equipment, such as automobile stereo systems or electrical windows, which all rely on LIN bus to deliver signals. LIN bus transmission speed is from 1.2 kbps to 19.2 kbps. That is a low-frequency transmission mode by a single core transmission line to transmit signals. This simple and convenient design is more than enough to handle signal transmission of automobiles' basic electronic equipment. It is self-evident that LIN bus has been widely used in automobile electronic systems. I'm going to use GDB03 to simulate transmission and to use GDS-2000A to demonstrate LIN bus trigger and decoding function. First, connect the logic analyzer probe of GDB03 demo board with GDS-2000A port. Turn GDB03 demo board function knob to LIN. Turn up channel 1 of the oscilloscope. Press Option and select Logic Analyzer under D15 to D0 on-off menu and turn off Logic Analyzer channel 0 to 7 and press menu off. LIN bus signal then appear on the screen. Press Trigger menu and select Type. Select Others and select Bus and press menu off. Press purple bus decoding key. Press Bus, select Bus Type. To LIN. And press menu off. Adjust time division to 1 millisecond per division. Now LIN bus trigger and decoding can be easily observed. Under Threshold menu, logic threshold level can be set for bus decoding. Under Configure menu, bit rate can be adjusted and LIN bus standard version can be selected. Press Trigger menu and press Trigger on. Different package can be triggered. For instance, sync trigger. This concludes LIN bus trigger and decoding demonstration. Thank you.